Hi, my name is Samantha Payne, and I am a student at Fort Hays State University. I am creating this tutorial today as part of an assignment for AEP800. So the thing that I wanted to show you today was called a Google a Day, and it can be used anywhere: the phone, computer, iPad, whatever device that has internet access. And so essentially what it's doing is, to me, it helps develop good concrete research skills. So why do I have my students do this on occasion? Why should you have your students do this? Students have the internet available to them. You know, we hear sometimes, why are we teaching them things that they can Google? Well, my students come in, I have high school students, and they come into my room, and they don't necessarily know what or how to Google when they have a specific thing that they are wanting to know. So we need to teach them and let them practice how to research. And this kind of gamifies it. You know, there's points associated with it, and it makes it really more fun of an environment. So, you know, we always hear, just Google it. And so that's a phrase we hear, but what is the common response? So like, what do I Google? If I want to know this, what do I need to specifically Google? And so again, it gamifies the research. So the goal here is to teach students to use Google, and I think this knowledge can be transferred to other search engines, though Google seems to be the most popular, at least in my area. And it just, you know, teach them how to use it as a powerful research tool, because it is at their fingertips. It's on their phones, it's on their iPads, it's on their tablets, Chromebooks, whatever. So my audience here is that I'm focusing on is the student. ISTE Standards Students 3A, employ effective research strategies, and 3C, curate information from digital sources. So when they come in, I might have, hey, go to Google a Day, we're going to play this. So they would just click Start Playing, and it's going to come up with a question here, and you're going to see that as time goes on, you get less points. So they have to quickly use a Google search engine to try to find it. They can get hints or show the first letters. So the first ever fight held in the Madison Square Garden ring was lost by what former and future champ? So, you know, they may try to just go search Madison Square Garden and see what comes up. Well, that's not necessarily a great search, and so they might learn, I might need to get more information. So maybe I go in and put in future champion loses at Madison Square Garden. So Jack Delaney, we can try that. So they can go in here, enter their answer. Hey, that was correct. It's going to go on to the next question. In the late 1800s, ladies were given a red rose at a fashionable Louisville Derby party, resulting in the flower's adoption as part of what race's official logo? So, you know, maybe they search rose, logo, Louisville, Kentucky. So maybe we try the Four Roses bourbon. That was wrong. So maybe they say, give me a hint. Oh, it's looking at Garland. Maybe I say, show me the first letter. So, you know, that kind of gives it away. If you're in elementary, kids, maybe they don't have, you know, they don't have that background, but a high school kid might, I would hope, be able to get that a little quicker. So, as you can see, so as of 2012, of the 65 living members of the National Baseball Hall of Fame, 20 of them played what position? So, National Baseball Hall of Fame, 20 played what position? So you can see some of the common searches that may have came up. So they can go and look on some of these links. You know, I've just been looking through this. Maybe I say, give me a hint. So Robbie, show first letters. So I'm going to guess second base. So you can try to set some rules. Say, hey, don't show me the letters until, you know, it gets to a certain point. Don't use your hints, that sort of thing. So they can go through, and you can see that there was 1,900 total points. You can look at tips and tricks that kind of help give some information. This is, I think, would be a great segue when you're starting a big research paper to kind of just get their minds in the right mindset as far as researching documents. You can have them share their points. You could break it up by category, whatever you would like to do here. Again, this is just a great tool to help them know what to research, how to research. then it could lead into, okay, how do I cite my sources? And again, they want to be quick. They want to get the answer quick, and so it just gamifies the research process. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please let me know below if you have any questions. Thanks.